My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware called ElementaryDivision. ElementaryDivision is the adware from the adload family of adware type infections. This particular adware affects many Mac computers these days. The adware, once installed, may start showing the tremendous portion of pretty intrusive advertisements which are definitely not related to the sites that you visit. And so, if it was somehow installed to your Mac computer, definitely you need to undertake the measures and remove this adware from your system. Also, this adware may cause unwanted browser redirections to many random and even dangerous sites. So, if you remove it, that's the only correct solution. To remove it, check your applications, find this adware and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to restore the computer with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install it, and then start restoring the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.